Hi everyone. Today we have this question, maximum product of two elements in an array. So we are given an array of integers nums, and here we have to choose two different indices I and j of that array nums, and we have to return the maximum value of nums of j minus 1 into nums of j minus 1, sorry, nums of I minus 1 into nums of j minus 1. What does that mean? That means if we have an array 3, 4, 5, 2. In this case, what we have to do? First, we'll start from 3. Okay, so we have 3, and this is our, let's say, this is our I. Okay, and this is our j. So, what we have, we'll see that 3 minus 1, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2, and is 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 1, because this one is 2, and we have to do j minus 1 and I minus 1, so that will give 2 into 1, that is 2 only. And again, if we have 4 and 5, so we have 4 minus 1 into 5 minus 1. In this case, we'll get 12, because 4 minus 1 is 3 and 5 minus 1 is 4. That will give 4 into 3, that is 12. So that one is our maximum value for this array given this condition. Okay. So the easiest solution to this question is by sorting. So this one is the sorting method. I'm giving the code. Okay, this is the sorting method. First of all, we sorted the array. So we know that the maximum elements, let's say our array was 3, 4, 5 and 2. Okay, this was our array. So after sorting, what will our array become? After sorting, our array will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here we'll choose the maximum two elements. That means the last two element. That one is very easy. Nums dot length minus 1 and nums dot length minus 2. And here we'll perform the given operation minus 1 into this 4 minus 1 into 5 minus 1, which will give us 12. Okay, so here the time complexity will be we go of log n, sorry, n log n. We go of n log n. Why? Because we are doing sorting of array. So this will give n log n. Now, is there any more efficient solution to this? Yeah, there it is. So let us see the question. Now, first of all, I'll explain the solution to the optimal solution. So we have the array 3, 4, 5 and 2. Okay. So first of all, I is here. Okay, now we'll initialize two variables. Let's say, wait a second. Yeah, we'll initialize two variables. M1, that is max1, will be the minimum value of integer, integer dot min value. Sorry, that's it. And max2 equals to endpoint. Now, now our I is at index 3. Now here what we'll do, we'll traverse from here to here, from the first element to the last element, and now we'll check if m1 is less than this array of I. Yeah, max is minimum, it will be the integer dot, it will be in negative value, so this one will be definitely less than 3. So what we'll do, we'll substitute this max 1 value into max 2, and will change this max 1 value to this 3 value. Okay, so what we will do, right now we are in a for loop. Now what we'll do, okay, Okay, as I told you, max2 will be substituted with m1 value and m1 will be substituted with array of ith value. Okay, so this one is the first case. And else what we'll do, else if m1 is not less than this one and m2 is less than the given value, let's say so simply we'll assign m2 with array of I. Here we will not substitute m1 or m2, we will just assign m2 with array of I. Okay, now see what is happening here. M1 is integer dot mean value. Now this is less than 3, so we'll assign this with 3, and now m2 will be this one only because m2 is assigned with m1, and after that m1 is assigned with 3. Okay, now in the next loop I goes here, next iteration I goes here. Now 3, again we'll check this one, 3 is less than 4. Yeah, 3 is less than 4. Before that assign 3 here, and now change here to 4. Now I goes plus plus. Now we will see, is 4 less than 5? Yeah, 4 is less than 5. Before that assign 4 here. Now check, now change this to 5. Hmm. Now we'll do again I plus plus. Now we will see, is 5 less than 2? No. Is 4 less than 2? No. So this condition also not validates. So at last what we'll do, after the for loop will return what will return? Then m1, let m1 minus 1 into x2 minus 1. Okay, so m1 minus 1, that is 4, m2 minus 1, that is 3. The 4 into 3 will give 12, and 12 is our answer. So this is the most efficient way, and this will give time complexity of big O of n. Okay, because we are traversing linearly, and no extra space is also used, so this one is the better solution for that. Okay, so I'll code it up. I have int m2 equals to, again here. Now in our for loop we will substitute int element of nulls. If m1 is less than nulls of I, sorry, is less than element, what we'll do, substitute m2 with m1. Okay, so and now substitute m1 with element. Now else if m2 less than element, simply substitute element in m2. Now at last you have to return. Yeah, so that's the code, and it will be accepted, I guess. It is getting accepted, so we'll submit it at last. So this one was the most optimal solution. Hope you like the solution, and see, it's giving 0 millisecond of time also. So yeah, that was all. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.